How to customize templates in ClickUp. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about this platform called ClickUp. And the first thing you're going to do is look over here on the left side and you're going to click on the task. Now over here you could either click this option over here or click on add space. Over here on the create new space, we have the option to create a new or the option to have a template. We're going to select on templates. And over here, this is where we will be able to see the different templates available to us. We're simply going to choose a random one, for example, project management. And we're going to click on use template. Now over here, this is where we will be able to customize our template to a certain degree. For example, the space name. We will be able to customize it to anything. For example, we could choose the import options from import everything to customize import items. We could set project dates to important as is or remap dates over here. It would ask us this question also. We have the options no, yes, or yes, keep them in archive, just like that. And we're going to click on use template. And just like that, our template that we have chosen is now ready to use. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.